All right, I'm Trevor with Shanko Roofing. We're at 952 Dominion Reserve Drive in McLean, Virginia. We're going to be doing a repairability test. We have a partial approval right now for some metals and a few shingles on this property. We're also going to pull a shingle for our ITEL because we believe that may be discontinued. But we're going to go ahead and do the repairability on this shingle right here. We have the manufacturer approved flat bar. We're going to have to go under this shingle, this one, and this one in order to get the nails out. And as we do that, we will assess it to see if there's any type of issues like material transfer, nail tear throughs, or anything that would prevent us from doing a proper repair. So I'll go ahead and get started. So nail right here. Got that one up. Another nail right there. As you can see, just from barely lifting the shingle up, not even 90 degrees, this is already torn. So this shingle is damaged, but there's a nail right here that I was working my way to. There's another nail right here. Should be another one, but I don't see it just yet. But there's another row of nails that are going to be up here that we're going to have to get to as well. So this shingle already tore almost horizontally, kind of at a slant, trying to get to this nail. I'll kind of show you up close. You can see the tear right there, that horizontal slanted tear from where the nail is. We got this tear right here already. Haven't even lifted these shingles up, not even 30 degrees, and they're already starting to tear. Another nail right here, gotta get to. You can see this whole shingle just tore. I mean, at this point, this whole shingle up here, which is not even the shingle we're doing the repair on, would be this shingle that we're pulling out, has already torn in three different places. This shingle just tore through. This nail head just tore through, but I'm gonna try to get under it, get it out. Yeah, these shingles are just tearing very, very easy in order to remove this. This nail head is already torn through completely. I don't know if you can see that, but the shingle, delaminating right here. See, it's already delaminated. You could actually see the nail under there. So this is called delamination, when the upper tabs tear off the bottom ones. That nail is in between because it tore through this top section over here. So I can't even get that out properly. Should be possibly one more nail up here. This shingle just tore as well. See that right here? See where it tore right there? I'm trying to get under here to this nail. I mean, you can see this shingle just, this just came apart, the shingle above it. That's not even the shingle we're doing the repair on. So pulling this shingle out, you can also see there's a big hole right here where the nail tore through, took off a chunk of it. But I mean, without even going any further, you can see the shingles above it are just falling apart. This shingle is torn right here, the lamination. I mean, at this point, it's already failed the repairability test to do a proper repair here. What we're gonna end up doing now is we're just gonna keep this shingle, send it into ITAIL. We're gonna tarp this section. It's already failed the repairability test. Plus this is most likely discontinued based off of its size when we measured it. So we'll be submitting this to the insurance company along with the ITAIL report. Thank you.